What's up, guys? So in today's video, I'm going to do a weekly portfolio update. A lot has actually happened in the past week. So we'll just start. My portfolio is currently valued at $56,570.88. So in the last week, my portfolio was around $57,890, so almost 58K. I did peak at $58,319. And then, of course, the inflation data came out, and inflation is proving to be stubborn, it's sticky, and in fact, inflation went up a little bit. So that spooked the markets. My portfolio went down to $57,211. We had a day where the market went up, but my portfolio still stayed down. And then, of course, on Friday, the market dropped again, and then the market dropped a lot. S&P 500 was down 1.46%. My portfolio down almost 2% at negative 1.93%. Or the current value, $56,570. Then as you can see, for the whole week, I lost just over $1,300, and I did gain $23.49 in dividends. So that's pretty nice. And so it is April 14th. So in the next few days, I should be getting my O Realty dividend, which, if you guys remember, I bought a lot of Realty Income stock. I bought around 15.4 shares. So now I have 93.75 shares. And I believe Realty Income increased their dividend recently. So I'm really looking forward to this new dividend that I'll be receiving in the next few days. And then in other news this week, both Costco and Procter Gamble increased their dividends. And these were some insane dividend increases. So I also recently bought a lot of Costco stock in the past few weeks. I have 3.9 shares at an average price of $503.12. So before I bought all these shares, my average price was around $402 per share. So you can see I've been buying quite a bit. And then let's get right into this news on Costco. It's at another double-digit increase. So for the month of March, they actually increased their sales 9.4% year over year, which is great to see. And then Costco also increased their dividend by 13.7% this year. That is an absolutely insane increase. Their new dividend is going to be $1.16 per quarter. The annual payout, $4.64. Then, of course, they have that low dividend yield at 0.64%. However, Costco, they have amazing dividend growth. As you can see, last year they increased their dividend by 13.3%. And I want to say in 2022, they increased it by 12.9%. So you're getting a 13.7% increase on the 13.3% increase you got last year, on the 12.9% increase you got the year before. And another thing is they've been giving special dividends, which is also a benefit of owning Costco stock. So they gave $7 in 2012, $5 in 2015, $7 special dividend per share in 2017, then $10 per share in 2020, and then $15 per share this year, which was an awesome bonus from Costco. So definitely love owning that stock. Then next we'll look at the other big dividend increase, which was from Procter and Gamble. And I didn't buy that much Procter and Gamble in the past few weeks. I don't even think I bought half a share, but I do have 6.9 shares at an average price of $134.74. And then Procter and Gamble came out with a pretty good dividend increase. It's huge for them. 7% increase from their prior dividend of 0.94 cents to a little bit over a dollar. And I want to say that Procter and Gamble's average dividend payout is less than 5%. They really don't pay this much. So this is going to be a nice increase. And we will see that. I believe that dividend is going to be coming out in May. Yeah, May 15th is when they're going to pay it. So Costco's around May 10th. Procter and Gamble increase around May 15th. And then Procter and Gamble, they have a annual dividend yield of 2.6%, which is all right. It's a good yield. But if they can continue the 7% growth, then that'll be more than worth it. And then so that's all I really wanted to share in this portfolio update to show you that my portfolio has gone down a lot. SCHD did not have a good week as well. As you can see, they're down 2.78%. Thankfully, I don't have too much money in SCHD yet, so it was only a negative $514.64. But with that being said, I will see you guys next week.